Mosius, Mucius, also known as the Holy Hieromartyr, was of Roman ancestry, and a priest in Amphipolis, Macedonia, who became an Orthodox saint. During a persecution against Christians under the Emperor Diocletian, 284–305, Saint Mosius exhorted the pagans who had assembled for the pagan festival of Dionysus, Bacchus, to abandon the customs which accompanied this celebration. He urged them to repent, be converted to Christianity, and be baptized. At the temple of Dionysus, he destroyed a statue of the god. Mosius was brought to trial before the governor of Laodicea and subjected to torture. The saint was brought before the governor of Laodicea. When threatened with torture, he replied, "My death for Christ is a great accomplishment for me." Saint Mosius was subjected to torture, which he bore with marvelous endurance, and did not cease to denounce the idol worshippers. After this he was put into a red-hot oven, where he remained unharmed, but the flames coming out of the oven scorched the governor. Then he was given to wild beasts to be eaten, but they did not touch him. The lions lay down at his feet. The people, seeing such miracles, urged that the saint be set free. The governor ordered the saint to be sent to the city of Perea, and from there to Byzantium, where Saint Mosius was beheaded. Before his death he gave thanks to the Lord for giving him the strength to persevere to the very end. His last words were, "Lord, receive my spirit in peace." Then he was beheaded. Saint Mosius died about the year 295. Later, the Emperor Constantine built a church in honor of the Hieromartyr Mosius and transferred his Holy Passion-bearing relics into it. His feast day is May 11th.